Hi, my name is Prabodh. I am 19 and I am from India. I want to tell you an amazing story of my life. It happened to me on this holy land of Bukhara. Welcome to this ancient town of magic, fairy tales and beautiful legends. Only a few years ago, I just watched exciting video about Bukhara and I was dreaming to visit it. I was fascinated by its mysterious atmosphere. And now I am here, walking through these historical roads. From childhood, I was interested in medicine and wanted to become a doctor. Bukhara is also the birthplace of Avicenna. At the age of 17, he was invited to treat a seriously ill Emir of Bukhara. His treatment helped and the ruler get well. Avicenna became his personal doctor and he was given the right to use the famous palace library. Ibn Sina said, "The chance opened me a gate to such deep knowledge that I never knew about." The same thing happened to me when my dream came true and I entered the Bukhara State Medical Institute by MBBS program in English. It is for 5 years and gives the international standards and global exposure. Here, I met new friends who are always ready to help me. Oops, I think I was late. The lesson has already begun. This is Dilnoza Miss. She is the youngest teacher and know everything in anatomy. She has recently successfully defended the doctoral dissertation. Sometimes we speak Indian. She perfectly knows it. She is very kind and friendly. This is Aftam Boltavich. He is the head of anatomy department. He is a very strict and seriously to study of our MBBS program. This is Olim sir. Besides theoretical knowledge, he has many practical skills. He works at the hospitals. He seems strict but is ready to support you at any moment. The medical profession requires long training and high level of knowledge. I am reading a lot. Maharashtra. We start MBBS program together. We both were sure in our choice. Bukhara State Medical Institute is fully recognized and approved by the Medical Council of India, means MCI, and the World Health Organization. I really want to become an excellent doctor and with great dedication help people to cope with disease, give them care and understanding, save lives. First year student of Bukhara Medical Institute already practice in different clinics and hospitals and study diagnostics. The doctor must be not only high qualified but also human and caring.
Assalamu alaikum. Reaction is
Yes.
normal na?
Not normal.
Okay.
When we work with the real patient, we learn to be alert to symptoms and sensitive to the request. Every day in Bukhara is special because of the weather, which is very sunny and warm. Because of the delicious Uzbek cuisine and specially cooked Indian food. Because of our people who are very sincere and hospitable. Of course, I miss my native land and my family. But here, I also feel like at home. Do you want to make sure? Take your chance and involve the Bukhara State Medical Institute.